Now you can officially use Google Gemini app on your Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2 smartwatches. And here in this video I will show you how to download, how to set up and how to use it on your smartwatch more effectively. And also I will show you how to change the default Bixby digital assistant to the new Google Gemini services so you can get most of it. So without any further delay, let's jump to the video. To use Google Gemini app on your smartwatch, on your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2, first you have to download and install official Gemini app on your smartphone. So first go to the Play Store, download and install it, and later log into it with the same account that you want to use on your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2. So make sure that. And after that, come back here on your smartwatch, open Play Store. Here in a Play Store, you have to search for Google Gemini app. Here type Google Gemini and now tap on search. When you tap on search, then it will show you Google Gemini search result. Now click on it. If you have already installed it, then it will show you update. Otherwise you can download it. Now just click on update and it will start updating a new version. There is another way to search it in Play Store. If you don't find Google Gemini app in a search result, then simply scroll down and here in a manage apps you will see Google Gemini app. Here you can see Google Gemini app. Just click on it and hit on update button. And after successful updating, you can use Google Gemini app on your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2. First make sure to download and install the latest version. And after that I will show you how to use it. Now you can see it has successfully installed on my smartwatch. Just click on open and tap on get started. When you tap on get started, then it will redirect you on your smartphone. After that, give some permissions and agree to their terms. And after that, you are ready to use Google Gemini on your smartwatch. Here you can see it is now ready. Now to use Google Gemini on your smartwatch, just say, "Hi Google, how's the weather in my area?" Correctly, it is taking my accent. So you can see this is my area and this is the weather. Open Spotify and play Arjit Singh songs. See, it has successfully opened Spotify Music. Actually, it is not playing my list, but it has opened Spotify Music. Hey Google, what's the distance between Delhi and Tokyo? See, it is also taking advanced command. You can ask any command and it will also reply it with voice. Using mic and speaker, it is taking my command and also answering with a voice. What's the breaking news in New York? See, it is also taking another commands, taking advantage of internet or LTE connection on this smartwatch and answering my questions. So make sure to get advanced searches. You have to enable Wi-Fi or LTE network on your smartwatch. Also, you can ask math questions like, "Hey Google, what is 721 plus 371? See, it is also answering my math questions. "Hey Google, tell me which movies are releasing this week." I guess I am from India, so it is giving me answers for Indian version. So these movies are releasing this week. Hey Google, open reminder app and set a new reminder. See, exactly, this is a new reminder. Now you can set a new reminder here. So basically it means you can ask any questions and get answers on your smartwatch. You can open any apps, settings, you can ask questions using Wi-Fi and LTE network, and also give your proper plan for better result in your health plans. Now I will tell you how to set this Google Gemini app by default on your smartwatch. To set Google Gemini app by default on your smartwatch, you have to go to settings. In settings, you have to open buttons and gestures. Just click on buttons and gestures, and here in a long press, you have to change Bixby to digital assistant, which means Google Gemini. Here you can see Google Gemini. Just click on it and it will set Google Gemini as your by default AI voice assistant. Now after that, to open Google Gemini, every time you have to just press home button. Press and hold your home button, and after that it will open Gemini. Now you can give any commands. Open running workout. See, it has started running workout. So that's it guys. I think you understand how to use Google Gemini on your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2. I hope you understand everything. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.